Carly and Sarah are playing an apple game. Put your hands behind your back, Sarah. But the real problem is I tied the apples to the fan. Get, Sarah.
I know. Sarah, stay still. My neck hurts.
Don't you pull that apple down. It took me forever to get it on the string. No, I'm not going to hold it. I'm not going to hold it.
You tied my apple too high.
Well, then go get your high heels on.
Oh, yay. I get to choose.
Get your tongue in the hole on the bottom.
My neck hurts.
Get your face in front of it and make it stop, Sarah. There you go. Now, you can touch the tip of your nose with your tongue, can't you? So get that tongue up there into that apple. And how are you doing?
Kind of good. Ew, look at the apples. They're turning rotten. We should refreshen them. Sarah, I got by. With high heels, I'm still short.
Well, you said I was supposed to tie it so that you could reach it when you're on your tippy toes. And if you're on your tippy toes...
Maybe if I stand on my tippy toes while wearing high heels.
Did you guys give up yet?
No. No. We started. That is a foul.
Why? Because you did it too? Sarah, that's cheating. No, enough. Good job!
My turn.
You pick it up and eat it? Why not? You worked really hard for it. Good job. Good job.
I'm going to try to get a big bite this time. Sarah, it's not your turn. I got a bite. Almost.
If you keep pulling on yours, the string's going to come out. Look at that. So halfway up the apple now.
I got a little bite.
Although it is hanging lower now.
Sarah, it's not your turn. Knock it off.
It's okay. Both of you go back. Push the chair in.
It is hanging low. Okay, I haven't got a chance to take a...
Okay, you're done. You're done. You're up. She's been licking all over that, Sarah.
Retie it.
No, I'm not going to.
Stop filming and retie it.
No. Sarah Jane, stop.
Sarah. Retie? No. So cool. Yes.
Just cut in half. It's not going to help stay up there.
It is too.
It won't either.
Be quiet.
You're done, Sarah.
No.
Eat your apple and be
But
quiet.
my collar's on. Oh, I don't care.
Okay, the game's over. iCarly's.
No, no,
Sarah, get your hand down.
no! Ha ha ha. Mom, stop filming every time.
I'm not gonna. No. It's not gonna stay on there. It's cut in half.
Retie it? I
No.
still want to play too.
But it's not gonna stay up there.
Can we buy more apples tomorrow and do this again? Yeah. It's fun. Ha ha. Away. Okay, so it's my turn.
Well, maybe while she's taking a bite of her apple, yours will stay still. And there it goes again. We're not retying it.
Oh, it's not working.
Sarah, that's disgusting. It's fallen on the floor twice now.
I don't care. Okay, no, stop moving the fan, please. Let me concentrate.
That was cheating.
What?
Putting it in her mouth.
It's not working. Carly.
I see that. You just have a crappy old apple core.
Two crappy old crappy cores. Crapple cores. How can I do it if there's no bottom? Where's my apple?
Good job.
Mama, where's my apple?
Don't know.
It tastes really good, but it's bruised. Hello. My neck hurts.
You done for the night?
No. Nuh-uh.
Okay, well I'm done filming.
Okay. No! No!
Oh, quit. And there's the dog and the cat playing.
Don't film them. It's back to us.
Good job. Take a bite.
Good.
Bite, bite, bite. I see.
Mom. Amy. I
see that.
Away.
Okay, the game's over. Good job, you guys.
Good night. Night.